The Mechanical and Electrical Services Division of the Department of Irrigation and Drainage Malaysia provides quality and professional consultancy and management services in mechanical and electrical engineering to the highest level of customer satisfaction, foster good engineering practices and be environmentally conscious. The services provided by BPME include testing facilities on new acquisitions or refurbished pump sets belonging to the government as well as to private agencies. Tests are conducted at the pump testing facilities at the BPME Pump Test Bay. They ensure that the test pump's guarantee point is within the tolerances of the agreed acceptance class that comply with international standards. The pump tests also confirm the initial performance of the new pumps, identify the uniformity of the pumping units and the accuracy of the impeller design, the preparation of the tests and the fabrication of related accessories such as fittings, piping installation and rubber insertions are done by skilled and experienced personnel. The pump test bay consists of 6 main components. There are 2 types of piping system, namely DN300 and DN500. The piping selection depends on the capacity of the tested pump. The suction tank, where the pump draws in water. The discharge pipe then transports the water from the suction tank to the discharge tank, which then sends it via the transfer channel, where a thin plate weir measures the water flow rate and directs it to the return tank. The return tank then collects water from the transfer channel. The return channel transfers water from the return tank to the suction tank. The average time for a typical pump installation takes approximately 1 to 2 hours, depending on the pipe selection and the type of test pump. Four types of pumps are tested at this facility. Electrical submersible water pump. Hydraulically driven submersible water pump. Engine-driven end suction water pump. electrical and suction water pump. The installed pump will be pre-tested for functionality followed by actual performance data collection. Two required primary data are the rate of flow, Q, which are obtained from the flow meter or thin plate weir, the total head, H, generated by opening or closing the valve. In order to produce total head, H, other readings must be obtained, and these include velocity head, static head, read from the water level sensor, pressure head, measured by the pressure transmitter, and head losses. These readings are sent to the local instrument panel in the control room. The workstation determines test parameters, data collection, monitoring and reporting. The test bay is equipped with closed-circuit television or CCTV cameras to ensure clear monitoring of the instruments and locations that have been identified. Discussion sessions between JPS and the client to explain test results are conducted in the control room. A pump test report is provided to the client upon completion of the tests. The test methods implemented at this pump test bay comply with international standards to guarantee that the testing results meet customer satisfaction. Department of Irrigation and Drainage Malaysia. Jayakan Perkhidmatan sempurna.